Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to show difference of two columns in pivot table in Excel. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps. Now as you can see I already have a pivot table, and if you want the difference between two columns, let's say this is the column 1 and this is the column 2. So just click on any of the value, doesn't really matter, just select the pivot table, and after that you will see an option called pivot table analyze on the upper, like along with the help section. So once you see this, as you can see, like if I just not click on the table, I will not be able to see the option. Make sure to click on the table, and after that you'll be seeing an option called pivot table analyze. Click here, and from here you'll be seeing like many options. So make sure to select this option called fields, items and sets. Once you see this option, click on it, and from here just click on calculated field. And once you click here, make sure to write down the name of the field. Either it is field, you want to write it field, or you want to write it like the difference, or that is your choice. Just write down the name of it. And inside the formula, make sure to remove the zero and the space. Just make sure that do not remove this equal. And after that, make sure to select two, like double click on the product. It is written in the formula minus, and make sure to select the other column that you want to minus, or you want to show the difference of. Let's say this is the quantity. This is the second column that I want to select. Now inside the formula you can see product minus quantity. Make sure that your formula is correct. Insert the minus, write down the two columns, and then click on OK. And once you click on OK, as you can see, like there were three columns, and now there's a fourth column along with the minus values as well. So basically this is the total value, or like total minus or total difference of all those two columns that I selected during my like calculations. So that is a simple and easy process. Make sure to follow the step by step process and you will be able to do it.